Hi, I'm Al Camoli from Epic Plastics. Today, we're here with Jamie of Gomez Landscape and Irrigation, and we're here to show you the 4 easy steps necessary to get a great professional-looking bend-a-board edging installation. Dig down or create a clean trench about 6 inches back from the front edge of your design. The trench will also have to be about 1 inch deeper than the desired bend-a-board surface exposure. It's a good practice to leave as little bend-a-board exposed above grade as possible, but be sure to expose no more than 25% of the board above grade. Bend-a-board is extremely flexible and will accommodate a tight bend without worrying about cutting the board. Now get your first length of bend-a-board and start by laying it into the trench. Both ends of the bend-a-board have thermal expansion joints, which are overlapping slots at both ends of the board. Now take the bend-a-board stakes and drive them into the ground at 4 to 5 foot intervals. The top of the stake should be about 1 inch below the top of the bend-a-board. This practice conceals the stakes and makes for a cleaner installation. It's important to use the thermal expansion joint at this point to allow for the expansion and contraction characteristics inherent in plastic products. At the joint, use 2 standard stakes mounted on opposing sides of the bend-a-board, leaving a small gap on each board to allow for expansion and contraction resulting from temperature change. Now take 2 number 6 galvanized or coated screws and drive through the stake into the bend-a-board edging. The screws will hold the board firmly in place, which will be reinforced later with backfilling and soil compacting. Now that you have the bend-a-board in place, take the leftover soil from behind the trench and backfill the bend-a-board edging. Recycle Plastic Edging Solutions by Epic Plastics.